Hi, hello. I'm very glad to be here for this interview.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Chasiyut Saso and I'm everything for car machine. Here a copy of my resume.
Yes, and have a this interview.
Thank you.
Tell me a little about yourself.
My name is Chasiyut Saso. I'm 21 years old. Computer vocation diploma in automobile machine from Pratt Technical College.
Do you have any opinion?
Yeah, I have been and machine technical position in car level and Honda for 6 months.
Why do you want to work for us?
Because I want to work in this field for about time.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I will see myself in a higher position.
Do you have any question for me?
No, I don't have any future. Thank you. Thank you for your time and consideration. Thank you.